What is the healthiest food you can possibly eat? You got it, kale. Per cup, it has 35,000 international units of vitamin A. That's per cup. That's like 10 times the vitamin A of any other vegetable. It has potassium, vitamin K. It's loaded with all sorts of phytonutrients. Those are plant-based chemicals that prevent cancer and really will get your body healthy. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to get kale in your body. And we're going to make a kale shake. And I have probably 300,000 to 500,000 people in the Washington, D.C. area doing this kale shake. Okay, now there's two types of kale. One right here, we have the regular kale, the green kale right here, which I kind of like the best. But then you have the dinosaur kale, which is flatter leaves right here. So we're going to just do this with the regular kale. You're going to take a couple leaves, and I say a handful, the stems and all, just stick it in there. Okay, so we're just going to pack it in there, maybe like 3 stems, okay? So we're going to stick it in there, pack it down like that, and then we're going to take some blueberries. Now you can take any fruit. I have like a half a cup of blueberries, handful of strawberries, you know, just like that, okay? So that's pretty much the combination. Then we're going to just take water, filtered water, and I'm going to just put this right above the kale, not all the way up. I like it a little bit thicker. You don't have to put ice cubes because it's frozen. This fruit is frozen. You could put a banana if you need it to be sweet. I don't like it too sweet. And plus, if you're trying to lose weight, you don't want to add a banana. Unless it's green, because it makes it smooth. The other thing that you might want to add is coconut oil. Now, this is not something that I really tell a lot of people, but you take a teaspoon of coconut oil, or coconut butter, and put it in there. Now you have this incredible smooth shake. Okay? So we're just going to okay, now the key is 3 minutes, okay, or more. Because if you don't blend it for that long, what happens is it gets a little bit chunky, so you want it really, really smooth. You can use Vitamixes, you can use all sorts of high-power blenders. I just use a regular, cheap blender. It works great. And if you want to wait till it settles down, you can do that as well. But this shake is incredible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just put it... To test this out, I'm going to have our camera guy test it out. So let's, Manuel, let's go ahead and see what you think about that. You know, see, I don't know if you've ever had this before.
I've had the one from the office, never.
Okay, tell me what you think about this one.
It's subtle, fresh. It's good.
Yeah, it's not bad, is it?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it looks kind of greenish brown, but it's not bad. So you're infusing your liver with a tremendous amount of nutrients and vitamin A. What's going to happen is going to go into the liver and through the whole skin, the mucous membranes and the sinuses. You're going to breathe better. You're going to get more oxygen. If you have a lot of acids in your liver, it's going to flush it out. It has so much nutrition. You need to do this every single day. Do it in the morning, and you have maybe 2 eggs with that.